It was an amazing fundraising for you last year. It was the second best fundraising year you had on record, I believe. And you're in the market, according to Bloomberg's reporting, for a record direct lending fund. How much appetite is there for private credit to continue at that pace? And where are you putting all this money to work?
Well, how much time do you have? We just had our earnings call earlier, and someone asked a similar question. And without getting too deep into it, the reality is that the private credit markets, even though they're having a moment, are still massively undercapitalized relative to the amount of institutional equity that needs some form of private credit solution. So, just as an example, there's about $1 trillion of uninvested private equity dry powder in the market against roughly 200 billion of private credit dry powder. So for all of the attention that private credit is getting, there's just not enough private credit in the market to satisfy the private equity that's already been raised, putting aside some of these cyclical opportunities that we're talking about. So I think that there's plenty of appetite. The return opportunity in private credit across the different parts of the market is as good as we've seen in a very long time, since the GFC. And I think people are seeing the seniority and the structural protections and will continue to allocate.